impressive speed, supply chain finance turned from innovation to standard practice. Reverse factoring, once an innovation taking off quickly after the financial crisis, soon gained traction. Should we exploit supply chain finance solutions and standardize them further? Do we need groundbreaking supply chain finance innovation featuring latest technology? What do firms want? Standard tools or groundbreaking innovation? Artificial intelligence and large language models, in particular, are quickly gaining traction in many fields. Should firms explore them in supply chain financing? Today's Supply Chain Finance Hub will provide answers from many perspectives. We connect academia with industry. We connect experts with those who seek expert opinions. We connect managers from small firms with managers from large firms. We connect managers from family-owned businesses with managers in public firms. We connect you with us. Today, the question exploration and exploitation towards an established standard. And here is your host for today.
We love to talk about innovation. Innovation is cool. It's what drives our economy. It is what fascinates us. It's what we need. We do not enjoy discussing implementation challenges and risk to the same extent, though. But those are what happens. Those are what managers deal with in their everyday lives. Those are real. Now, instead of inventing new solutions, firms might fare better by exploiting existing solutions and using them. In academia, we often think about this trade-off as ambidexterity, exploration versus exploitation. On the one hand, there's need for exploration, finding novel solutions to existing problems. Nowadays, everyone talks about artificial intelligence, AI. With an unprecedented speed, large language models suggest massive breakthroughs. I'm personally impressed with what those algorithms can do. And yes, I use generative AI, though with a lot of caution. Can AI unleash the same potential in supply chain finance? On the other hand, there is demand for exploitation, using the new concepts, standardizing, building on them. After all, routinizing processes only works if you stop changing them. Think about AI. Do firms need this for supply chain finance? After all, there are excellent models and algorithms without AI. Still, only some firms adhere to those. With reverse factoring, for instance, you can improve cash flows massively. How do you expect AI to mimic this success? What is the value of AI if you have not yet fully implemented reverse factoring? So, what do we need? Exploration or exploitation? And if we need exploration, what technologies should we explore? Let us contrast AI with blockchain. I hope you remember blockchain. We talked about this last year. First, most powerful AI uses black box approaches, leaving managers in the dark. Or do you know where the answers of large language models come from? In contrast, blockchain builds on smart contracts, well-defined algorithms with perfect traceability. Both different extremes. Second, AI provides comprehensive answers without the claim of correctness. In contrast, blockchain also features crypto assets, which allow for innovative financing mechanisms. Now, contrasting both, what do firms need? Black box approaches or well-defined algorithms? Comprehensive answers or certainty about data correctness? Better information or also crypto assets? Today, you will learn from many perspectives. You will learn about the importance of supply chain finance and why firms still need innovation. At the same time, you will learn that value creation goes far beyond cool technology. It builds on an inevitable commercial reality. You will learn about blockchain and AI, and you will learn about the IP and the legal perspective of intellectual property. There are limits and there are rules, and we have to stick to them. Following our tradition today, Supply Chain Finance Hub is a virtual event connecting people from all around the globe. I'm genuinely impressed by all the guests joining online. Some of you are new, others are joining today for the 5th time, and that is amazing. Thank you. We are the TUM, the Technical University of Munich. We are broadcasting today live from our Heilbronn campus in Germany. Today, for the first time, we will have guests in our studio here on campus, and others are joining online. I'm David, by the way. I'm Professor of Supply Chain Management, and I'm your host for today. And here's our roadmap. After my welcoming address, each expert will answer one question and has a maximum of 4 minutes. No time to get off topic. Then, around at 3:45 German time, we will have a networking break. As you notice, we have an online platform in which you're logged in that allows us for better and more dynamic networking. After the networking break at around 4 p.m. German time, we will have our panel discussion with all experts, and I look forward to engaging conversations. During this event, you may pose any questions online. We have an integrated system here, and this should then also be visible by now. Our team will review your questions, will filter them, and will then give them to me so that I can ask them to our panel. Also notice you can upvote other questions. Please make heavy use of it so that we find the questions that are most relevant to the majority of you. Finally, I thank our great team at TUM Campus Heilbronn for the precious support. Besides my current PhD students, Dawn Choi and Sayram Suraman, our student assistants today on site, as well as Dr. Franziska Schmidt and Charlotte Koch, have incredibly supported this event. They are also heavily involved in today, tomorrow, and Thursday's events. That's it. Enough talking from my end. Let's find answers together. And remember, always ask questions online at any time.